If you're seeking monetization on YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram, this video is for you. Are you struggling to reach that magical 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers milestone to join the YouTube Partner Program and start monetizing your videos? We may have an exciting suggestion that can help you achieve those goals in just 10 days. That's right, just 10 days. With a monetized channel, you'll unlock a world of opportunities. Ad revenue, super chats, channel memberships, and so much more. Perhaps what you desire is to hit the 50,000 watch minutes and 5,000 followers on Facebook. We know this can be hard to reach. There are some secrets to achieving this seemingly impossible feat. Here's how it works. We leverage our extensive offline and online communities to boost your channel's watch time and subscriber count. We provide a genuine audience engagement that YouTube and Facebook loves, ensuring your growth is both rapid, organic, and authentic. This is genuine humans interacting with your video. In the case of YouTube, your channel's growth after hitting the 4K watch time and 1K subscribers is entirely up to you. As you already know, after monetization, your earning depends on your consistency, the quality of your videos, and of course, your determination, plus the algorithm. What we promise you is 1K subscribers and 4,000 watch time, which qualifies you for monetization. The same principle applies to Facebook and Instagram. After we get you the desired followers and watch minutes, the rest is up to you. Here are a few of the conditions you need to meet before you think of reaching out to us. Number 1. You must have posted at least 3 videos on your channel or page. Number 2. You must have posted 1 video on your channel or page within the last 7 months. If you meet those requirements and really desire to meet the monetization requirements, leave a message on this video. Let's talk. Never mind about the costs. There has been times when some people choose to perform some tasks to qualify for these services without paying a dime. So, let's talk.